Hi everyone, join me today for an easy Qigong routine. We're going to do a series of joint mobility exercises to promote circulation and keep your joints healthy. But before we begin, if you like my videos and want to grow your practice beyond YouTube, consider joining my membership site. You get access to all the courses and tutorials, weekly live classes, plus recorded versions, Q&A, and other membership benefits. You can find more information in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up nice and tall, soften your knees, and relax your whole body. Begin with a twist and turn exercise. Starting the momentum from your legs, slowly rotate your body from side to side. Keep your spine nice and straight and mentally reach upwards through the crown of the head. Allow all the muscles to relax and let go of tension. Allow your joints to open and loosen up. Then go ahead and knock across the abdomen and the lower back. The points on the lower back and the abdomen help to activate the energy in the body and promote its smooth circulation. They're also good for digestion and metabolism. Keep the movement light and enjoyable. Allow your whole body to stay loose and relaxed. Then go ahead and knock on the chest. This point on the chest is the lung point. It helps to stimulate and tonify the lungs and strengthen our immune system. Slow down the movement. Then go ahead and take a nice deep breath in as you lightly open the chest. Exhale out the mouth and relax fully. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in as you open your chest, drawing fresh air into the lungs. Exhale softly. Allow your whole body to soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. We're going to continue with the mobility exercises. Go ahead and come up on your toes to massage the soles of the feet and warm up the ankles. Then do the same movement side to side to massage the sides of the feet. Then do a full circle massage in the entire area. Change the direction. Very good. Relax for a moment. Next, bring your attention to your knees. Go ahead and squat. Keep your lower back nice and relaxed and your knees on top of your toes. Then gently squat down at a slight angle to massage the muscles and tendons around your knees. Very good. Finish by doing a full knee rotation. Change the direction and repeat a few more times. Very good. Next, bring your attention to your hips. Go ahead and stretch to the side. Then move your hips forward and let them slide to the back. Go forward and back. Keep your lower back nice and relaxed, focusing primarily on your hip joints. From here, go ahead and rotate your hips, taking your time to feel the movement and really stretch the muscles around and underneath the hips. Change the direction. Slow it down and return to center. Gently shake off your legs to the side to release any tension. Moving up, go ahead and palm your fingers to guide the energy and blood to the hands. Do that about 36 times. Very good. Let your hands relax for a moment. Next, we're gonna massage the wrists. Go up and down, keeping your shoulders nice and relaxed. Focus your attention on the wrists. Then keeping your palms facing the ground, move back and forth. Relax your hands for a moment. Then finish by rotating your wrist. Change the direction. Relax your hands down. Moving on to the elbow rotation. Go ahead and repeat after me. Change the direction. Relax your hands down. Very good. From here, lift your shoulders up and relax them down. You want to feel a nice tight squeeze and then full relaxation. From here, begin rotating your shoulders to the back. Then change to go forward, giving a good range of motion, taking your time to really feel the movement. Relax your body. From here, we're gonna gently massage the muscles of the back. So adjust your range if your back is sensitive or you're recovering from an injury. Tuck your tailbone out as you look up, and then tuck your chin to the chest and your tailbone in. Continue the movement at your own pace. Relax your body, then go into the spinal wave. Keep your feet firm on the ground, your knees are slightly bent, your hips relaxed. Allow your body to soften and loosen up as you do this exercise. This is a good exercise if you suffer from back pain, tiredness, or kidney problems. It helps to improve circulation up and down the spine and to the kidneys. Slow down the movement and return to center. Then bring your feet together, keeping a good posture. We're going to rotate the body to the side and open the palms. Then lift your hands overhead. Turn to the other side as you squat. Allow your arms to complete a full circle around your body. Feel free to adjust the movement. You don't have to go too deep into the squat. If you notice, my upper body remains straight and fairly relaxed. Use the strength of your legs to go down and up. Then change the direction. This exercise helps to strengthen the muscles and tendons around the shoulders, while squats promote circulation to the legs and work on your lower body strength. Gentle waist rotation helps to strengthen the kidneys and stomach and can help you lose weight. Slowly stand up, keeping the same posture. Go ahead and lean to the side. This side stretches work on your spine mobility and make your back supple. It also helps to stretch the rib cage and massage the liver, which is good for releasing toxins. When you relax your hands down, allow your upper body to soften. Remember to breathe, always inhaling, always exhaling. One more time on each side. Then bring your hands back to center and relax fully. If you picked up any tension in your upper back, go ahead and gently tap the back of the shoulder and the top of your arm. Shake it off. Very good. Next, step forward. We're going to move forward to open the chest and arms. Then shift the weight to the back and stretch the entire spine. The key here is to keep your lower back nice and relaxed, using your legs to shift the weight back and forth. Allow your chest to open and simply enjoy the movement. Then change legs and continue for a few more times. This exercise helps to open the chest, strengthen the lungs, and clear blockages from the head. It's also beneficial if you have poor circulation and low energy levels. Then bring your feet parallel, open your chest one more time. Exhale as you bring your hands back to center. Then go ahead and take a nice soft breath in, exhale out, and relax your whole body. Breathe in, drawing fresh air, fresh energy into your body. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Then close your hands just below your navel and take a moment to concentrate on yourself and the area inside your abdomen. Feel a pleasant warmth coming from your hands and going into your belly. It feels comforting, soothing, and relaxing. Slowly open your eyes and relax your hands by the side. Bring your feet together and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel nice and energized. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.